desserts and beer things. Alright, ready? Oh, you mean people don't know say Yaadman Etan, but today, you can call me Chef Bwoi Yardie, because we're back in the kitchen. Come on, know that the people don't miss me in the kitchen. And today, well, I just drop off my niece. Right now, we are going to the Buford Farmers Market, because we need to make sure so we get the good thing them for the pot. Is it me? So we'll make sure so we get the nice, authentic food, then we'll get some snap and beer thing. Because guess what? Today, we're going to steam some swim round, we're going to steam some fish and white rice. But you see, my niece, them say my niece can't cook. So I'm going to teach her how to cook something. Is it me? So watch it out. Boom! Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan? Ready for cook?
Yep. Yep, I'm ready.
Alright, so them say you can't cook, so how you feel about that?
No, they gonna learn today.
Them gonna learn today? Alright. Since you don't have much kitchen experience besides from boiling water and frying eggs, right?
Okay.
What do you know about seasoning?
You gonna show me?
I can show you?
Yes.
Okay. Can't make no type of Jamaican food without these peppers. Like, they're different from habaneros. And I think it was like the only one India I could have find. Yeah, man. Have you ever had these before?
I don't think so. Maybe.
Yeah, man. They are pretty. Oh my goodness. Let me get 5 pounds a snapper. The big ones? Yes, please. Woo. You know, usually when I get fish, I usually scale and got them myself. And I was like, I'm not gonna do that to you today. I feel like that'd be torture.
That's too much.
Not too much.
Yeah.
Too much in one day, right?
Yeah, too much.
So let's get some jasmine. Jasmine. What is this? Huh?
That rice is kind of hard to make.
No, it's not. Wait, hold on. Are you telling me it's hard to boil rice?
No.
Hold on.
No, that rice gets sticky.
Are you really making me worry right now? Wait, seriously? You really telling me it's hard to?
No, that rice always gets sticky. I'm telling you.
So you don't like sticker? You don't like jasmine rice? So you're saying jasmine doesn't like jasmine?
No, it's fine. I'm just saying it might get sticky.
It's not going to get too sticky.
Okay.
I'll show you. Yo, welcome people them. So, you know, so when in the kitchen, the people them call me Chef Bwoi Yardie, and I'm here accompanied by my lovely niece. Man, them do not slide in her DM. Like, leave her alone. Alright, as far as you're concerned, she's 12. Alright, leave her alone. But I mean, you have any insight? Social media, the people that can't find you.
Yeah. Jazzy J.
Talk up a little bit louder, come on, say it.
Okay, jazzy.jx on the gram.
And remember, man, them, leave her alone. Alright, so what we're doing here today, you know what we're doing here today?
Mm-hmm.
What we're doing?
Making fish.
What kind of fish?
Whatever fish you picked out.
Whatever fish I picked out. Alright, so look here now. Special treat of what I'm going to do. I teach my niece how to steam fish. Alright? I've seen a couple videos online about people coming to talk about them Jamaican relatives teach them how to make some type of Jamaican dish. And sometimes them butcher it. But we're not doing that today, alright? We're gonna make sure so this fish is nice and clean. But let me tell you something about Jamaican people. You say anyhow you put something on the internet about Jamaican people, them are gonna find it. Regardless of what, and them are gonna hyper analyze and them gonna be very critical to make sure so they do everything proper. You get me? Alright, so we're gonna do everything proper right now. So, first thing, and after outline everything after outline everything that I'm doing, because as I said, the people them critical. The fish already wash, people, so don't come in the comments about how they don't wash the fish already wash. So stop it. Alright, as a matter of fact, them me wash. After the garlic wash, alright? Scallion wash, the sweet pepper them wash, the scotch them wash, alright? So don't bother with it. So we'll jump right into the chopping and all that stuff there. Alright? So don't bother with it. Alright, man. Alright. So because the pot I work with kind of small, we have to make sure we just have to cut the fish with the knife kind of dull a certain way, but let me take a look. So the season we're using, we have fish season over there. The fish season have pimento, it have black pepper, it have a little bit of salt, it have thyme. So let's open it up. No, not that side. No man. Why? Yeah man, open the big side. Yeah. Alright, let's start seasoning. Let's see. Tell me if you... Alright. I'm glad to see how much you put in here, because at least, you know, she never overdo it, she never underdo it. Alright, cool. And give me some salt. Alright, okay. I'm glad to see that she know when to stop seasoning. See that out there. Oh yes. Yes, this is above your pay grade, not true. So question. Have you ever chopped onions before?
Yes, I have.
You have?
But with the machine.
With some, you know how to get a good idea of how much is enough seasoning?
Show me how. That is nasty. So is it good?
You want to taste it?
No.
When I told people you were cooking with me, like, they made it seem like it was hopeless. So like, I'm glad to see what I'm seeing right now. All right, cool. Yeah, man.
How thick do you want it?
Make it thin.
So this is how thick it is.
So let's put these just right in the pot. You know, to the garlic? All right, I'm gonna show you a quick way to make garlic. So the trash out. There you go. Just set that aside of the knife. Put you against the garlic like that. Alright, cool. Now for the scallions, we call them scallions, but other people call them green onions. Unfortunately, we don't have any onions right now, but these big scallions can substitute. Sorry. And since I don't want it spicy, we're going to use one of the peppers. But what we are gonna do, you know, so the red one them usually the hottest, right? Yeah, so see, sometimes the green one's spicy, but they're the safest ones to go with. And as I said, they wash already. Don't bother with it. All right, now all that's missing is the butter. Close enough. We actually need one more thing. Can you guess?
This?
Not yet.
Then no, I can't guess.
Water.
Oh.
So yeah. So this right here, so would I have the onion them, the scallion them, the sweet pepper, the scotchy, the butter. And then what we do now, just stir it in the fire. set it to boil. But not on too high heat, probably like medium high heat. Since we're working on the fish, we can get to the rice at the same time. Alright? So today we're eating jasmine rice. Eating jasmine rice. So as I said, Jamaican people want you to wash everything. Alright. So have you ever washed rice before? Oh boy. Yeah, as I said, no, don't ask me for no type of measurements for the rice. I just know that I'm cooking for 6 people. Alright, so I just know when to stop. So please don't ask me in the comments how many cups of rice I use because I don't know. I just know that, yeah, this, for the amount of fish I'm cooking, this is probably, yeah, this is enough. Then, right into the pot we go. So you know we need to cook rice. The rice simple, you know.
I know, you should add water.
What else? And
What do you mean, what else?
some people use a little bit of, like a little bit of butter in their rice. Yeah. You don't want water to use with your rice because different types of rice means you have to use different types of different amounts of water.
Yeah, I have no idea of jasmine.
Alright, so for jasmine rice usually well in terms of cups, I don't know that I would assume is like 1 cup to 1 cup of water, I don't know. So I'm just going to, and since I don't know how much rice I actually added to this, I'm just going to go until I cover it. Make it look like it's even amount of water to even amount of rice. Let's see. Good, that should be good. Okay, cover it. Some water, some salt. Water. So yeah. And then back to the fish. And so the fish right here, so season up on beer things. I say I don't want to taste the season to right now. You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Alright.
You said it was good, so I believe.
So you just get to alright. So this is coming to our boy, so let's turn this down a little bit. So now time for you to get your hands dirty.
Oh, no thanks.
Yeah man. So you get to take out some of the fish in the bag. Yup. And drop it right in the pot. Kind of push it around the edge. The fish dead in it, not meant to like bite you. It's a tail. I mean, listen, this is not my fault. I couldn't eat a bigger one. I couldn't eat a bigger skillet. But yeah. Yeah man. Don't drop it right in there. Yes. Yeah man. My mom used to tell me that when she was a child, she used to pop the eyes like pills.
What?
Yeah. Yep.
I don't think you can fit anymore.
Yeah, we can't do anymore. So you want to taste what's on your finger? You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
She really wash with the seasoning, people. Ja, no start. She made the seasoning gone to waste. Turn down the heat on the. Thank you. Turn down the heat on the rice. Even if I have to bend the tail, I'm going to bend the tail. I don't care. You show them one time, they're doing it all by themselves. I'm going to put the butter right in there, so. Yeah, man. Cover it back up now. Open the bag of okra. And let's see if you know how much okra to add in there.
That's good.
I'm proud of you. Yeah. And people thought that you were hopeless in the kitchen.
See? You doubted me.
Alright. Just going to spread this out now. I'm on the steamer them ready. I just wish I had a bigger pot. I could just do everything at one time. But it's okay.
That's all we had.
It's alright. Alright.
Looking good though.
I'm covered.
It's sticking.
Alright. The first one them cook. This are the non-spicy pot. Because I said some of the people them can't manage pepper. So now we're gonna do a next one with hot pepper.
Super spicy.
Super spicy.
3 peppers.
What? No, alright, yo, chill. You're gonna take one of the red ones and you're going to cut it up.
Okay.
Listen to me.
You said 2, right?
1.
You said 3?
I said 1. Listen to me. And I'm not joking. And so when you cut that pepper with that knife, do not.
I'm not gonna touch my face. I know.
Alright. Because there's this one time that I forgot to have pepper on my hands and I went to use the bathroom. Alright? Yeah.
That was a bad night.
Alright. And remember what I'm gonna tell you.
Don't touch my face.
Don't touch your face. Alright? Don't go to the bathroom. Make sure your hands are very clean before. As a matter of fact, here what I want you to do. I want you, after you cut it, I want you to smell that pepper. Yeah, man.
Smells fun.
Yeah, man, it smells fun. As long as you understand what you're working with now. Alright, here what I want you to do. Take one of those seeds and chew it. Just one.
No. I know how it tastes.
Alright, cool. Okay. Alright.
Maybe I'll try it. Okay, I'll try one.
Just one. Yeah, man. Catch her. Yeah, man. Not just one seed. Remember, say you wanted this in the fish, you know.
Maybe this is good.
Alright.
Maybe those 3
Maybe those 3 pieces are good.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
It can't be that bad. Hold on.
You try it. Do another one.
This is what I expected. You said do another one?
Yeah.
Oh, you're challenging me. I'll do 3 more.
Whew.
You sure that's all you want? You sure that's all you want?
What do you think?
Probably shave 2 more pieces in there.
Okay, I've got 2 more.
Alright, so people, so see what going on now. The fish them steam, and the rice steam, everything ready. Zin. So right now Jasmine is about to share out some of your one dinner. So you're not it not sticky.
Yeah, it's perfect.
This is perfect. See it? So me know how to cook rice. Alright. It's because you want the spice in life, therefore you get one of them dish. Well, no, use one of them. Use it.
Okay.
Let's say you want a fish tail.
Maybe, yeah. Yeah, I guess so.
Cheers. Come on. Give it to you. Come on. Spread it on that plate. Come on. Hold on. We're not doing it. Don't forget some of that gravy. Hold on. No, man. Me have to salt you out, right? Give me this. You got the spoon. You take that. Let me take this from you. Come on. Get some of this gravy. Some of that okra on the rice. And I'm gonna get a piece of the pepper. So you love the pepper. Oh, so much.
Oh, no, it's okay. I'm saving it for you.
You're saving it for me?
Yeah.
It's always just someone free to know. Alright. So here you go. Says that you wanted Caribbean food. And I gave you one of my favorite Jamaican dishes. Let's see if you like this.
Wait, that's good. I made this?
See it there? When I say you learned something today.
I know. I'm gonna make this every weekend now.
You make this every weekend now.
Yep.
Okay. You did good. It's bad. Alright, whoa.